Welcome to Biotech Career 360. As we know, there are many research institutions which comes under Government of India, like CSIR. Under Ministry of Science and Technology, there are three departments are there. The one is Department of Biotechnology, Department of Science and Technology, and Department of Scientific and Industrial Research. Under Ministry of Human Resource and Development, there comes UGC, NAC, CBSE, and universities and colleges. Under Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, there comes ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research. Under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, there comes Indian Council of Medical Research. And as we know, there is institutes of national importance like IITs, NITs, AIMS, ICER, and NIMANS. Under Department of Atomic Energy, there comes Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. The Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, known for its cutting-edge R&D knowledge base in diverse science and technology areas, is a contemporary R&D organization. Having a pan-India presence, CSIR has a dynamic network of 38 national laboratories, 39 outreach centers, 3 innovation complexes, and 5 units. CSIR's R&D expertise and experience is embodied in about 4,600 active scientists, supported by about 8,000 scientific and technical personnel. CSIR covers a wide spectrum of science and technology, from radio and space physics, oceanography, geophysics, chemicals, drugs, genomics, biotechnology, and nanotechnology to mining, aeronautics, instrumentation, environmental engineering, and information technology. It provides significant technological intervention in many areas with regard to societal efforts, which include environment, health, drinking water, food, housing, energy, farm, and non-farm sectors. Further, CSIR roles in science and technology, human resource development is noteworthy. So these are the list of CSIR institutes. The Ministry of Science and Technology is the Indian government ministry charged with formulation and administration of the rules and regulations and laws relating to science and technology in India. Organization under Ministry of Science and Technology are Department of Biotechnology, Department of Science and Technology, and Department of Scientific and Industrial Research. So these are the lists of institutions which comes under DBT, DST, and DSIR. The Ministry of Education, formerly the Ministry of Human Resource Development, is responsible for the implementation and formulation of the national policy on education approved by Union Cabinet of India and to ensure that it is implemented in letter and spirit. So under this, the University Grant Commission of India is a statutory body set up by the Government of India in accordance to the UGC Act 1956 under Ministry of Education and is charged with coordination, determination, and maintenance of standards of higher education. It provides recognition to universities in India and disbursements of funds to such recognized universities and colleges. The National Assessment and Accreditation Council is a government organization that assesses and accredits higher education institutions in India. It is an autonomous body funded by University Grant Commission and headquartered in Bangalore. The Central Board of Secondary Education is a national level board of education in India for public and private schools controlled and managed by Union Government of India. CBSE has asked all schools affiliated to follow only NCERT curriculum. The Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare formerly Ministry of Agriculture, a branch of the Government of India, is the apex body for formulation and administration of the rules and regulations and laws related to agriculture in India. So under this, the Indian Council of Agriculture Research is an autonomous organization under the Department of Agriculture Research and Education, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India, formerly known as Imperial Council of Agricultural Research. These are the list of ICAR institutes. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare is an Indian government ministry charged with health policy in India. It is also responsible for all government programs relating to family planning in India. Under this, the Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR), the apex body in India for the formulation, coordination, and promotion of biomedical research, is one of the oldest and largest medical research bodies in the world. The ICMR is funded by the Government of India through the Department of Health Research, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So these are the list of ICMR institutes. Institute of National Importance is a status that may be conferred on a premier public higher education institution in India by an Act of Parliament of India, an institution which serves as a pivotal player in developing highly skilled personnel within the specific region of the country or state. Institution of National Importance receives special recognition and funding from the Government of India. The Indian Institute of Technology, the IITs, are the premier autonomous public technical and research universities located across India. They are governed by the Institute of Technology Act 1961, which has declared them as institutes of national importance and lays down their powers, duties, and framework for governments. These are the list of IITs, NITs, and ICERs. The Department of Atomic Energy is a department directly under the Prime Minister of India with headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Under this, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research is a public deemed research university located in Mumbai, India that is dedicated to basic research in mathematics and the science. TIFR is considered as one of the outstanding research institutes in India. It is a deemed university and works under the umbrella of Department of Atomic Energy of the Government of India. It is located at Navy Nagar, Kolaba, Mumbai, with an affiliated campus in Srilangampally near Hyderabad. TIFR conducts research primarily in the natural sciences, mathematics, the biological sciences, and theoretical computer sciences, and is considered to be one of among India's outstanding research centers. TIFR has a graduate program leading to a PhD in all the major fields of study. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please do share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.